In the heart of a park with magical cheer, where music and laughter ring far and near, Dolly the Dolphin ruled the show, with flips and tricks and a sparkling glow. Kids waved flags by the glittering rail, their eyes wide open, pink cheeks pale. Visitors clapped as the show began, with sea friends joining the dolphin clan. Come one, come all, the announcer roared. The splash parade's what you've waited for. Out popped Dolly with a spinning twist, splashing a rainbow into the mist. Beside her danced an octopus pink, wearing big glasses and giving a wink. She twirled her legs like ribbons in air, then high-fived a kid with sea salty flair. A jolly sea lion bounced in next, balancing fish like a circus text. He juggled 3 with a flappy grin, then dove through a hoop with a silly spin. A turtle in goggles did cannonball jumps, splashing the front row in giggly clumps. A starfish crew in sparkly hats formed a conga line on floating mats. Crabby the crab on a bubble swing zipped past the pool like a red lightning king. He rang the bell with his tiny claw, the crowd all roared with ooh and ah. Jellyfish lights began to dance, bouncing in bubbles like in a trance. And Dolly led them bold and bright in a swirling, twirling, glowing flight. She looped with fish that shimmered blue, then shot up high and waved at you. Kids jumped up with hands held wide. Dolly's the best, they laughed with pride. She ended the show with a dolphin cheer, with all her sea friends spinning near. Together they bowed in a watery spray, a perfect end to a splashy day. So if you visit that pool so cool, with the happiest crowd and a giggling school, look out for Dolly and her dancing band, making sea magic with waves and sand.